guys, how's it going? Welcome back. I got a free drone. It's an AR drone 2.0. I guess these are called Parrot drones. Anyways, it's a camera drone and pretty cool actually. I had one of these a couple of years ago that I borrowed from a friend of mine, and I flew it a few times, a little bit. Not bad, you know. This one, a little bit of a story behind it. We went yard sailing today, locally here in Powassan. Lots of yard sales. And the guy had this in the box for free. Didn't have the big shroud. I guess that got destroyed. Apparently the story is it was his grandson's, and the kid had a bit of a crash and lost interest. Well, he did some nice damage to this prop anyways, but I'm going to change all 4 propellers. Give me a pile of spare parts, extra gears, pinions, shafts, blades. So I'm going to put a whole new set of blades on. Got the tool kit with it. Ended up with 2 chargers. The other one's actually in the wall right now, charging the 1 battery. There were 2 batteries. The 1 battery was shot. No big deal. At least I got 1. You know, good starting point. Some stickers. Got the manual. So anyway, I plugged this in a few minutes ago and fired it up, and it does run, and I kind of held it in place, and so it will hover, but it's a little jumpy because of the fact of the 1 blade, and of course with no landing gear on either side here, it's tipsy, so I mean it can't even set up its own gyro right. And I actually had to hit the reset button inside to get it to connect to my phone, because it kept coming up no Wi-Fi connection. I'm like, huh? Well, I didn't feel like reading the book. Come on. So I just figured, well, let's hit the reset button, see what happens, fix the problem. And, so it's all good. So anyways, I think she'll be a good little flyer. So don't expect any flights though anytime soon, because I'm gonna have to go online. I'm gonna have to find parts. You know, I'm gonna order some more blades, because I'm sure I'm going to have at least 1 or 2 crashes myself. These things are Wi-Fi, and that's the big problem with them, is they usually only get about 75. If you're really super lucky, you might get 100 feet out of them. And yeah, they usually drop out of the sky, or they just go bye-byes. It kind of varies. It depends on what happens. But anyways, so I'm not expecting a lot out of this drone. But the HD camera in it is actually really good. I was surprised with the on-screen picture. It was like, wow, that's really cool. So it's pretty clean picture on it. But I figured, you know what, for free, why not? And I've been wanting a new RC for a bit. I know my RC fans have been wanting some RC stuff on the channel, because I've been pounding you guys severely with music gear and wait a minute, more music gear and tools, and oh yeah, more music gear. So I figure, hey, great opportunity too. We get a little bit of RC to start with. Hopefully in the next couple of days I can get some other RC videos up for you guys. It's been a while. I've started back at work too for the season, but it's also still been really crummy weather. We had an extended winter in Canada, which really sucks. And I've been spending a lot of my nice days fixing up my shop, hence tools, but also working on it, getting things reinforced. And it's a pretty old shed, but she's coming together and, you know, getting all straightened around. Still got a bit more work to do in there yet, but I'm going to do my best to get some RC videos on the channel, hopefully within the next week, okay? Just don't hold me to that, but I'm going to do my best. But I thought this was really cool and for free, and I love flying quads. You guys know I love quads. I'll take a quad over anything any day as far as RC stuff goes, because I think I get a little bit more of an adrenaline rush from a quadcopter than I do even from a land vehicle sometimes. It kind of depends on the land vehicle though. You know, it's kind of a varying thing, but yeah, not a bad little machine. And these things are freaking expensive too. If you look these things up on the internet, I know the last place I seen the 2.0 version was about 350 bucks. And that was, I believe, either at the Source or Best Buy, one of the two. I'd have to check online to see if they actually still sell this thing, but I know AliExpress has parts for sure. so I can get parts from them. Just takes like forever to get the stuff in the mail. So we may have parts by, I don't know, next Christmas. No, I'm just kidding. It shouldn't be that long. But hey, you never know. So I'd prep you for that one. But anyways, so there you go. That's my little AR drone that I got for free. I got other stuff today too that I'm not going to do a show-off video of this stuff because it really wasn't that much extra. I picked up a Workmate thing. It's similar to those Black & Decker Workmate things, which I have one, but this one's called like Work Center. And it's kind of a little bit flimsier frame, but still strong because it doesn't fold, right? Which, given the design, it should fold and pack away, but it doesn't. But it's got this cool little tray on top. You guys will see it in a video because I'm going to be showing you guys a tour of the shop shortly. I'm just trying to clean up a few more things, get some tools bolted down, and clean up the disaster in there. And I'm going to give you guys a shop tour of what I've got going on in my wood shop. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of wood projects over the next, I don't know, few decades. Anyways, so you never know what I'm going to make in there. But anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'm so happy I was able to make some of my RC fans a little happier right now, which is good. Anyways, feel free to leave your comments. If you're not subbed to my channel and this is your first time even on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, check my channel, thousands of videos, not kidding, okay, and for all kinds of different things. So I've got pretty much a little bit of everything up here. Anyways, see ya!